There's the admin putting it on. No press.
I like how we're all doing the same thing.
Yeah, what the hell is this?
This way. Get over, in the bush, in the bush, in the bush.
Ready? It's about to get hot, you know that, right?
Yep. They're like right on the other side of the street.
It's more of suppression than anything, guys.
That's actually what we need. Oh, we need to get out of here. We need to get out of here. We're gonna get down here.
You guys get ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Suppressing fire!
Woo! Come get some, boys! Center mass!
So is this all we got?
Big favor.
4?
Oh, you have suppression fire, correct? Get in that window, draw as much fire as you can, and I'm gonna start sniping and poke it up over this. Reloading! If you're hit, try to knee down so I don't shoot you, sorry! Thank you. You did a good job there, because like I just popped up and took one of them out right when you did that, so good play. Good play. I got you. Making sure no one's coming after you. I'm gonna go poke over here, so if you hear me hit, you guys know what's up. Hey, did you get your rev yet? What? Did you get your rev yet? Whoever I hit? Because he walked. Okay, I just wanted to make sure so he didn't. He's going back, you're good. That left way. Yeah. We'll have to take a little bit of a walk, but it's worth it.
That's maybe better than you can try and coming back this way.
Okay. I literally go all the way around all this too. Huh?
Isn't your call sign like Rogu or something like that?
Yeah, it's Rogu, tumor. A little bit of everything. Oh yeah, you were at R&R that weekend.
I might start calling you homunculus.
Homunculus, there you go.
It'll be obscure.
I get it. I'm a talking tumor. Surrender or die, bud. I don't want to shoot.
Back.
I die.
Let's go. Thank you. Let's go, boys. Hey! You hit? Okay. You might want to go. We just sweeped them all. Hit! Hit!
Push. Come on out.
Dude, I helped clear out that whole tank area. I got hit after, but
Blue team has to respawn. Let's go. Or red team does. Go.
push! Red's done! Push! Oh,
You're right in the way there.
oh, I broke my camera.
Keep rolling. You're right in the way.
They're dead. Red has to respawn if you're over here. They said all of red has to respawn. So don't shoot at me, I'm pretty. I'm pretty freaking blue balled right now. Where is it? Where's the
Objector. Oh, hey, you're here.
yeah, where's the objective at?
I am it.
Oh,
Just so it's tracked.
the button's not working. I'm sorry, I couldn't help myself. Oh shoot, my bad, bud. That was my bad. Have you been hit once only? Is that your first death? No, hey, real quick, is that your first death?
Oh, yeah, you want to.
Take a knee and I'll rev you. God, dude. I'm sorry, it's just, as soon as that started going, I saw somebody moving fast through there, and I'm like, I'm gonna have none of that.
I don't know which one my team is. Oh, it's right here. I'm okay with it because it's clearly.
Where the fuck's mine?
Here it is. Longest minute ever, huh? Good shit.
So wait, green gas pistols, full auto, okay?
I don't know. That's a question for John.
You wanna ask him real quick so I can defend this properly? Because this will be fun.
You just captured it.
Oh.
Blue team has captured the objective.
Because I was gonna go real.
Oh, yeah.
Can you put that back on?
One second.
The objective is moving now to General Store. Red team, your spawn is shifted down.
Thank you for
one
clarifying.
past General Store.
Well, since I don't need my pistol at the moment. Oh my god, that's a light! Freak's this light turn on from?
Man, I wish I was a kid, thinking about the 3rd grade back in '96 with my Michael Jordan jersey, French fries curly, cool